This game is Impossible Mission, and it is one of the more graphically intensive games I've ever seen for the C64. I'm not saying I've seen every game they ever made, just the ones that I've seen. 1984 from Epix Software. And it also has a speech synthesizer. And in this game you're pretty much a spy running around an underground lair, running through different floors, jumping over robots, and looking for keys and things. I played this game a lot after school. Many years ago. And this game runs entirely from the joystick.
Visitor. Stay a while. Stay forever.
This game runs entirely off the joystick. Password. I don't know. That's one of the things you have to find in here. Is to, when you're searching for things, you find passwords. And you can use those at a later time. Or across the bottom of the screen, it shows the part of the map you've discovered. Now they'll zap you. See how... Up, see? Ah! I don't think there's a limit to your number of lives in this game. It's just until you get tired of getting killed, really. Oh, man. Ah! I want to get to the candy machine. Ah! You gotta time it just right. You know what? Forget it here. I'm not going to try to get everything. I'm just giving you a quick demo.
Destroy him, my robot.
Oh, man. I'm getting killed left and right here. I haven't played it very much here. For a long time, you know. Oh, whatever. Almost made it. Forget it. I don't have a password. I think that was a I think that was a password to disable the robots. Let's check. Haha! Okay, good. I'll stay out of my way for a little bit of time. That was a piece of a puzzle, a picture, a map or something.
Destroy in my robot.
Passwords only work one time. Anyhow, you get the idea. Some kind of a spy game. Okay, robot, turn around. There's a lot more complex scenes to it. And the bottom right of the screen, I used to know what those things were, but I haven't used them in so long. But that's Impossible Mission for you.